subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
After launching Vivo X90 back in November last year, the company has now launched another smartphone under the same lineup in China as Vivo X90s. Now let's have a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The Vivo X90s features a tall 6.78-inch Full HD Plus curved AMOLED display, with up to 120 Hz refresh rate, and up to 1300 nits of peak brightness support. The phone is powered by latest MediaTek Dimensity 9200 chipset, paired with Immortalis G715 MC11 GPU. The smartphone packs with 8 or 12 GB of LPDDR5X RAM, and 256 or 512 GB of UFS 4.0 storage. In terms of optics, the Vivo X90s sports an Zeiss-featured triple camera setup on the rear, that includes a 50-megapixel main camera, with f1.75 aperture, and it supports optical image stabilization for stable video recording, and there is 12-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens, with f2.0 aperture, alongside the another 12-megapixel telephoto lens, with 2x optical zoom support. The rear cameras of the phone is capable of shooting 4K videos at 60 frames per second. For selfies, it has 32-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center, with f2.45 aperture. The device comes equipped by a large 4810 mAh battery, with 120 watts ultra-fast charging support, and it runs on Android 13, based on Origin OS 3 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP64 certified for dust and water resistance, and it also includes VC heat dissipation system that keeps the device cool in extreme conditions. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, NFC, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 164.1 by 74.4 by 8.5 millimeters, and it weighs around 200 grams. So now let's take a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Vivo X90s has been priced in China for 8GB plus 256GB storage variant at 3,999 Chinese yuan, while the 12GB plus 256GB storage model is priced at 4,299 Chinese yuan, and the higher variant with 12GB plus 512GB storage model is priced at 4,699 Chinese yuan. The smartphone is said to go on sale in the country starting from June 30th, in black, red, silver, and mint green color options. So, what do you guys think of this Vivo X90s smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below. And stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video.